What's up, family? It's your friendly neighborhood attorney, Brian Gaither. Man, I had a long day today. Just got back home not too long ago. Once again, I was on court TV, digging into this new case. You know what I'm saying, the Florida versus Segura case. Horrific case. Situation where family got murdered, slaughtered. The wife and her three kids, twins and son, and they're saying that Segura, the prosecution saying Segura, basically slaughtered all of them over some child support. Now that's, truth be told, it's a weak argument from the prosecution. They have evidence that there was some cartel ties, that she was involved in and owed the cartel money. That's not what I really want to talk about. Segura, he's a black male brother, and today he took the stand. Mind you, Segura is the defendant. A lot of times the defendants don't take the stand because as a defendant, you don't have to prove anything. But he held his composure. He was, he was pretty straightforward, level tone, until the judge, it was a situation he was going back and forth with the prosecution. The prosecutor was asking the same questions, and he got agitated. The judge jumped in, and he started over-talking the judge a little bit because he was still going back and forth with the prosecutor. Now, the judge starts to raise his voice saying, be quiet, now. And Segura turns around and like, well, hold up. Who you pointing at? I'm a grown man. Now, I'll put it out there. I tell my clients all the time, particularly, we're in America, it is what it is. You have to be honest. My black males, my brothers, I'm like, yo, the judge may say some things to get under your skin, but you still got to keep your poker face. Maintain your composure. Now, the brother, he lost his composure. Should he respect the judge? Yes. However, he's human, man, and we have to face it, man. Like, me even hearing the country slur of the judge and just saying, be quiet. The only thing I heard was like, I thought he was going to say, be quiet, boy. So it hit my soul. So it was a big debate whether he was being disrespectful, and does that kind of point toward his guilt and making him a violent person? And I'm like, no. You know what I'm saying? Me being in America, me being a black man in America, to have anybody talk down to me like that, particularly, from our history and being in the South, a older white male with authority to be calling, saying, be quiet. I can't, as if I was his attorney, I've been like, bruh, but I would put him to the side, like, man, I feel you. That's the bigger conversation, man. So, one side was saying, basically, he's on death. No, this is a death penalty case. He needs to respect the judge. But at the same time, man, I get it. Too many times in this country, being a young black man is tough because you can't show no emotion. And when you do, you can be labeled. So it just is what it is. This conversation starter, man. What do you guys think? Talk to me. And in the comments, just, would you have held it against him when you saw him look at the judge and say, I'm a grown man, who you talking to? Or would you think like, oh man, like, you shouldn't disrespect the judge, since he's doing that, he has a temper, so he could have possibly committed this heinous act? Just talk to me, man, down below. Love y'all.